Yeah, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I was planning to do something else, a Roblox video, but I made a big doo-doo mistake. Well, that's actually my headphones' fault, actually. So I was recording a video about plane doors, then I was exploring around. At the first minute, I suppose, was working. My headphones disconnected and my audio and my voice didn't just stop working, and I got so mad I decided to do something else. I was actually just gonna react to some videos, try not to laugh, you know. So like and subscribe, I would love it, please.
Alright, we're on YouTube, and we're gonna quickly watch this one, try not to laugh if possible, please. Whatever that is, one. Alright, let's go. Alright. Bruh, you idiot. Okay. Shout out to him. I'm just gonna shout out him.
Bring you on into the temps, and we're all doing okay. Wow, 750 degrees in Gila Bend right now, and 1,270 in Ahwatukee. Now, I'm not authorized to evacuate Ahwatukee, but this temperature seems pretty high.
Cave Creek is really
Yeah,
good.
Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they don't look good either. And frankly, Wickenburg is a total loss.
I wonder if they just tricked him and just make him wonder. Oh, these guys gonna have the accolade. Oh, pardon me. I mean, yeah, 2,000 degrees. You'll probably just die. Just get evaporated. You know, put water outside, just get evaporated. At least Chet was fine. 63 degrees. I mean, it's fine, but it's really hot. But not as hot as 2,385 degrees.
The entire time I knew him, he only ever had one goal. To wipe out half the universe. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Christopher Robin.
Bruh. I like that. The reason why. And I was doing well, by the way. I was coughing. Yeah, that might sound excused, but not. So shut the hell up.
Help! Did you bring a loaf of Clausen's bread? No! Why don't you drop down to the grocery store for some? Clausen's bread is like music to my ears. What are the symbols for? This is the very symbolic commercial. What you eating? A sandwich made with Clausen's bread. Want a bite? Sure.
That's not what he means, Bob.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Oh, this one. This is the reason why I watched it.
Are we there yet?
Ah, let's play a game. Look at where we are.
Oh, I swear to go off with that.
Look at where we are.
Another highway is going to be really useful.
Minecraft. I love Minecraft.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet, though.
Wait, you're not done building it? Ah!
The best part.
Oh no! I just did not die. Oh!
I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Oh, Mr. Williams!
Elmo,
What are you going to do with that stick?
oh, there's lots of things you can do with this stick, Elmo.
Ooh. Oh, no! This is dumb, man. Dirty.
Lots of things you can do with this stick, Elmo.
This is dumb, man. Dirty, bro.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Yes.
Strawberry, watermelon.
I'm John Cena!
Oh, this one. Yes. I think this is perfect to end the video. Like, subscribe, enjoy this